We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting vocabulary that many get wrong. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel, including from fashion. So 2 different ways of pronouncing it in English. Brassiere, brassiere, with an emphasis on the first syllable. This is the British English pronunciation. Now in American English, this is generally said as brassiere, brassiere. And this is all because this is a word of French origin. In French it is said as brassiere, brassiere. And there's no emphasis on any particular syllable. It's all same stress on every syllable, on the 2 syllables in French. So in English, well, there's a bit of confusion on which syllable has to be emphasized. So as I said, British English pronunciation, brassiere, brassiere. American English, brassiere. And now you know it all. Like this video if you found it useful. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching.